Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's video is going to be a first impression video, and today I'm going to try out this newly launched product from Neutrogena, and I'm quite excited to try this out. I'm going to show you guys a demo as well. I'm going to share my thoughts, what I actually think about this particular product after using it. This is the first time that I'm trying out this product. It came just now, so I sanitized it completely, and then I am going to use this particular product. So this one is the Neutrogena Deep Clean Purifying Clay Mask, and this is not only a mask, this is also a cleanser as well. So this is a cleanser plus mask. So I think I'm gonna use it as a cleanser first, and then I'm gonna use it as a mask as well. Without any further ado, if you are interested in watching this video, then please keep on watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's get started. And this is a 100-gram product which costs for rupees 500, so I think it's quite affordable. I'm quickly going to show you guys the packaging first, and then we are going to use this product. Not we, I'm going to use this product. This is what the packaging actually looks like. A very common packaging, just like most Neutrogena products. You guys can see they have mentioned that this is a purifying clay mask, and after that it's something written in Korean, so I can't obviously read that. Also here, as you guys can see, I think you guys can see, they have written their ingredients, how to use this particular product, everything, and something written in Korean which I obviously still can't read. I was just searching for the ingredients, and this particular product contains salicylic acid and glycolic acid. Good, because if we talk about glycolic acid actually works as a chemical exfoliator as well. It will deep clean your skin, it will deep clean your pores as well. It will also maintain the pH balance of your skin, which is a really good part. And it also contains salicylic acid, which I can see, which is really good if you want to remove any dead skin cells or redness or pimples as well. Also contains bentonite, which can be a little bit drying for your skin sometimes. Like if you have excessive drying skin, I think this product can be a little bit drying for you, which I'm gonna come afterwards after using this particular product. But they have mentioned if you want to use this as a cleanser, you have to wet your face, obviously squeeze into hands and gently massage all over your face, avoiding the eye area. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry. To use it as a mask, apply a smooth and even layer all over your skin, avoiding the eyes, and allow to dry up to 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry. Okay, so I am first going to use it as a cleanser, and then I'm going to use it as a mask. First I'm going to show you guys the consistency of the product. Okay, so this is what the consistency actually looks like. As you guys can see, it's very thick, obviously, as this is a mask. You can instantly feel a very refreshing, a very minty kind of feeling. That's because the 13th ingredient in this particular product is menthol lactate. They have mentioned it right over here. Ingredient which will give you instant refreshment, so that's the reason they have added this ingredient right over here. I'm just going to go and I'm going to wash my face, and then I'm going to use this particular product. So I washed my face. I'm just going to take this much right over here, use it all over my skin. It also contains little bit of like dental grains, which is actually helping me to exfoliate my skin as well. And this cooling, refreshing feeling is everything, guys. Paints are so mild, so gentle, which is so good. This minty, refreshing feeling will actually help you reduce redness, your puffiness. Okay, so I just washed my face. Absolutely in love with this particular product. I just cannot even explain how refreshed my skin is. By the way, this video is not at all sponsored by them. Why even they will sponsor me? Anyway, so it dried my skin. That's the reason I was saying that if you have extremely dry skin, if you're a dry skin person, this product is not for you. So if you have extremely sensitive skin, you can use this product as a mask, but not as a cleanser somewhere. Oily skin, combination skin, normal skin, acne prone skin, even acne prone skin person can also use this particular product. I think this product does not contain any alcohol. Neutrogena is somewhere my personal favorite brand, and I really like their products as well. Scrub, their face wash, they are really good. Few product contains very harsh chemicals, which is not good for your skin. Obviously I'm not an expert, so I don't know each and every benefits of each and every ingredients. Until now I can feel that soothing, that cooling, refreshing feeling. Regarding my skin texture, dead skin cells, I think it could have been more better. I can feel a little bit of roughness right over here still now. That I really love the part how it actually cleaned my skin, and my skin is feeling so refreshing as well. Obviously, whenever you use a face wash or a deep cleaning face wash, your skin is going to feel dry. You have to use a gentle cleanser if you don't want that feeling. Here is my texture right over here. I just hate this roughness. Everything really well, but I think it could have been a little bit better. I'm just gonna use this brush and I'm gonna use it as a mask. So I'm just going to take this. I'm just going to apply it all over my skin. And with this particular product, a little goes a long way, so you do not need too much. Not taking too much because I don't want my skin to be extremely drying. Okay, so as soon as I applied this product, within I think 2-3 minutes it dried out completely, which is a good part. Wait for I think 5 minutes and then I am going to wash my face with some water and then I'm gonna see. So I washed my face and this is what my skin is looking right now. Skin is feeling absolutely refreshed and clean. You can see that there is no redness as well. Whenever I was washing this mask, I was feeling that slipperiness all over my skin, which I particularly hate. I just do not like that, but that's not a very big problem for me. I just want to mention it because it can be a big problem for you. Wash your skin, there is no slippery feeling at all, but whenever you're washing that mask, you can feel a very like slippery feeling all over your skin. And rather than that, this is drying as well. So if you have extremely dry skin, I will not recommend you to use this particular product. I know this contains bentonite, that's the reason it's very drying for your skin. But if you have oily skin, you can use this product, control that oily shiny effect on your skin. Also clean your pore completely well. This can be used as a cleanser, as a mask, and also as exfoliator, I think so. Not say that it contains grains. It contains like very small, like tiny gentle particles, are like really good if you want to exfoliate your skin as well, especially this area right over here, especially your T-zone. Another part, talking about the smell of this product, the smell is very strong, but it's not really bad. There are few people who do not like a very heavy scented product, but this product is a really strongly scented. It smells like mint, tea tree, and like the smell is very strong, a very perfumey kind of smell, but it's not something really bad and not something problematic to me. So I think I can tolerate the smell. I'm gonna rate this product a good 8 out of 10. As a first impression, I think this product is really good. Also, if you have sensitive skin somewhere, like if you have extremely sensitive skin, especially this side of your skin, this side of my skin is very sensitive. My cheeks are really sensitive. Whenever I use any kind of biotic product, it actually makes my skin red and it burns my skin, which I hate. That's the reason I don't use any biotic products. But I think this product is actually not doing something like that, because the cooling, refreshing feeling is actually controlling the redness and puffiness of my skin, which I love. Sensitive skin, I think you can just test out a little bit as a cleanser first. Just test it out a little bit and then go and use it as a mask. I'm definitely going to try this product out and I'm going to let you guys know. So far, I'm really happy with this particular product. This product is really convenient as a 2-in-1 use, which I personally love, because you do not have to buy a cleanser and a mask if you're a beginner, if you want to try out any skincare product, which I personally think, because I think a moisturizer or a face wash, these are like or a sunscreen, these are like very essential product for your skin. But a mask is not that essential, it's not a necessary product. But you do not want to buy a mask or waste your money on that. I think this is a product for you. You can use it as a mask or as a cleanser whenever you want. It's a concept that I really like about this particular product from Neutrogena. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys really find this video helpful. Link this product in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. Some moisturizer, because after using a mask you have to use a moisturizer because your skin gets very drying. Yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching guys. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.